Hello guys, how are you? This is Modular International Company. Today I would like to introduce hydraulic pump K5V200DTH to you. It can fit Hyundai 450LC-7. Here is the overall outlook of the hydraulic pump and the button. Okay, here I have input port. You can see the input port and the output port. Here is the regulator and the solenoid plug. As this hydraulic pump is very heavy, so if you have any question, you can contact us before place order. Here is the contact information of our company. Okay, the website and the email address, and here is the packing box. So welcome to contact us. Thank you.